Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here in front of so many mountaineers. Thank you so much for having us here. My story goes like me. I'm here with my sister Aditi Vaidya, and we have been climbing mountains since I was like 5 and she was 8 with her parents, of course. Both our parents are mountaineers, and they are our inspiration. So first peak that we climbed was, I think, 5,000 meters. 5,000 meters, yeah, and it was in Indian Himalayas. At that time, I was 5 and Aditi was 8, and that's how our journey started. And just like Adriana said, it goes very similar. I could connect to her so much because we used to be at home, and our parents used to take chances to be on the mountains because someone had to take care of us. And we would just be at home waiting for the news with no contact, just two kids. I know I used to be so scared just because of the stories that I had heard, and because of the friends that I met of my parents. It was a crazy experience. I think that's how it got into us because since we were kids, we never had a luxury five-star vacation or, chilling by the poolside or something. We always used to be in the mountains, somewhere in dirt or climbing something, doing something else in Indian Himalayas. And that's how we got all into mountaineering. We climbed Everest in 2019, and before that we climbed Aconcagua and many other peaks. But then I completed my journey of 7 summits last year, 24 June, with my sister accompanying me on Denali. And I think we being mountaineers, we are someone who has seen global warming happening like firsthand, I would say. Because everybody has been listening about it and talking about it, but if I will talk about my experience, when I went for my mountaineering courses back in India, the first year I went, from the base camp, we walked for like 15, 20 minutes and we would hit the glacier. The second year I went, it became half an hour to 45 minutes. The third year, it became 1 hour, and now today when I go, it's 2.5 hour walk to reach the glacier. The glaciers are going back so fast, and that's how we know that global warming is something that's happening. And I think this is not just regional or something, this is a global emergency, I think. Himalayas provide water to so many countries, so many places. And if we are not going to do something about it, all of us, everyone is going to be in trouble. So I hope in this meeting somehow something comes together. We can do something for the mountains, for Himalayas, because that's the basic ground that got all of us together here. So I hope something we can figure out, because if we won't care, who else will? Thank you so much.